Founded by engineer Alberto Abet Pascua, Alternative Bioenergy Technologies Company Incorporated, or Abet Company, is a renewable energy company engaged in biogas system installation, and now also offers solar power from streetlights to hybrid energy, construction, with land development, excavation works, and including an entire pig or poultry farm construction. Future projects includes agriventure for livestock production, agrifisheries, and for commercial development or supermart stores. Abet Company started on assisting in biogas projects construction and have gained significant knowledge and understanding on biogas concepts. Biogas is the mixture of gases produced by organic matter in the absence of oxygen anaerobically. Primarily, it consists of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas can be produced from raw materials such as agricultural and human waste, manure, municipal waste, plant material, sewage, green waste or food waste. Abet Company builds lagoon-type anaerobic biodigesters to contain the biogas produced. It is more economical, easier to repair, and it may not require the wastewater to be heated, stirred, or pumped. The aged sludge and waste overflow of the biodigester can be used as fertilizer for rice fields and for watering the plants. Aside from using it as a fuel for heating, cooking, and incineration, biogas can be compressed after removal of carbon dioxide, the same way as natural gas is compressed to CNG and used to power motor vehicles. In other parts of the world, the Clean Development Mechanism allows emission reduction projects in developing countries to earn certified emission reduction credits, each equivalent to 1 ton of carbon dioxide. These certified emission reduction credits can be traded and sold and used by industrialized countries to meet a part of their emission reduction targets under the Kyoto Protocol. With decades of experience in biogas production and installation, Abet Company became an expert in utilizing the biogas for power generation. Through biogas, energy is produced in the form of heat, light, and electricity. Organic waste is transformed into high-quality fertilizer. With this, the volume of disposed waste products is also reduced. Since better sanitation is encouraged, there is an improvement in the hygienic conditions through reduction of pathogens, including worm eggs and flies on poultry farm. Workload is reduced in firewood collection and liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, for cooking. Microeconomical benefits through energy and fertilizer substitution, additional income sources, and increasing yields of animal husbandry and agriculture. And also macroeconomical benefits through decentralized energy generation, import substitution, and environmental advantages through protection of soil, water, air, and woody vegetation.
The 5,000 heads of this farm can generate around 100 kilowatts of electricity to power the entire operation of this farm.
Abet Company can help you build your biogas facility, for the working crews have 2 decades of experience on more than 100 biodigester installations here in the Philippines alone. Abet Company started on assisting in biogas projects construction and have gained significant knowledge and understanding on biogas concepts. On the first decade, beginning the year 2000, Abet Company has supervised and managed construction of biogas facilities on the nearby Asian countries. 5 biogas facility projects in Thailand, 1 biogas facility project in Fujian, China, 1 biogas facility project in a palm and cattle industry in Indonesia, and 1 biogas facility project in a palm oil industry in Malaysia. Since then, Abet Company have constructed several turnkey biogas projects in the Philippines. At first, Abet Company installed biogas converted engines from Don Hardy race cars, a high-speed race car engine manufacturer in the United States. Available in 75 kilowatts and 100 kilowatts, the biogas-fueled V8 engine comes with a gearbox, speed reducer, connected to the alternator. Within the years 2006 and 2008, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, or UNFCCC, in pursuance to the 2012 Kyoto Protocol, with the support of Trading Emissions plc in UK, Abet Company have constructed and commissioned 31 build, operate and transfer biogas projects in the Philippines under the Philippine Biosciences Company Incorporated, or PhilBio. During this decade, the anaerobic biodigester was described as covered in ground anaerobic reactor, or CIGAR, as they describe in the news.
Dahil sa mahal na presyo ng kuryente, todo ang kampanya sa Bulacan para palaganapin ang CIGAR biogas system o yung pag-convert sa dumi ng baboy para maging enerhiya. Nagpapatro si Pierre Pastor.
Kapansin-pansing walang amoy ng dumi ng hayop ang piggery na ito, kahit na may mahigit 17,000 baboy ang narito. Ang mas nakakatuwa pa, galing pa sa dumi ng mga baboy ang ginagamit na kuryente sa babuyan. Meron kasing tinatawag na covered in ground anaerobic reactor o CIGAR. Ito ay isang hukay sa lupa na tinatakpan ng plastic, dito iniimbak ang dumi ng hayop.
Mayroong natural decomposition ng organic matter na pumasok. Tapos pag tinakpan mo yung digester, marirecover mo yung gas na pwedeng gamitin para sa kuryente, pwedeng gamitin din panluto.
Ganito ang sistema sa isang babuyan sa Bulacan. Sadyang may daluyan ng dumi ng baboy na napupunta sa ginawang hukay. Natural na umanong nako-convert sa gas ang organics na ito.
We want it to come out of the digester, lose the moisture through the pipeline system that we put up, so that it can run the electric genset.
Halos 80% ng electrical needs ng babuyan ay nanggagaling sa kanilang industrial waste. Sa layuning palaganapin ang CIGAR biogas system, itinuturo na rin ito ngayon sa mga barangay.
With years of experiences in operation and maintenance on different generator set brands, Abet Company successfully invented its own type of converted V8 diesel-fueled engine into spark-ignited biogas-fueled engine, directly coupled to an alternator. Abet Company installed the converted engines on selected biogas projects with a generator set, rent, or lease scheme, with an operation and maintenance contract. In 2010, Abet Company was officially established and have installed more than 100 biogas projects. Among the new biogas projects are owned by Charan Pokpan Foods Philippines Corporation and Universal Robina Corporation, which includes the Robina Farm 23-layer chicken farm in Narik, in Cavite Province, with 3 units of 200 kilowatts MAN engines-powered biogas gensets. In 2016, Abet Company began to offer and provide a complete farm construction services, starting with a hog farm named Blue Lace Farm and a poultry farm named Strongman Farm, all located in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. Abet Company has all the equipment and tools needed to complete an entire pig or poultry farm with a biogas facility. Heavy equipment includes 4 units of backhoes, 2 units of roller bulldozers, and 5 units of dump trucks. In 2017, Abet Company constructed its own pig farm, the Abet Sansatero Farm Incorporated, located in Barangay Pitombayok, Mayantok, Tarlac, and now operating with a total population of 4,800 heads, and now ongoing expansion to be 9,600 heads total, upon completion on the 4th quarter of 2021. This farm is Abet Company's model farm for biogas facility and for biogas generator sets testing ground. With Abet Sansatero Farm Incorporated, Abet Company has gained the confidence of clients for a complete animal farm construction and biogas facility installation. Abet Company has the desirable biogas-related items, offers, and options you need for a viable biogas facility that works. In the lagoon-type biodigester, the black sheet is made of imported, high-density polyethylene, or HDPE liner. Abet Company offers material and installation of HDPE sheets in thickness of 0.75 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, and 2 mm. For capacities over 100 kilowatts, Abet company offers biogas gensets powered by MAN engines, exclusively made in Germany, especially designed for continuous power, 24/7 operation. The mech alti, dynamo, or alternator, coupled on these engines, are made in Italy. The turbocharged, spark ignition, MAN biogas engines are available in the following capacities. The 130 kilowatts MAN engine, model E2876TE302, is made of 6 cylinders, in line, and it is coupled with a 192 kV-ampere mech-alti alternator. Available in 200 kilowatts is the turbocharged MAN engine model E2876 E302, made of 6 cylinders in line, and coupled with a 270 kV-ampere mech-alti alternator, is the best seller for Abet company. The 250 kilowatts model E2676 is also made of 6 cylinders in line, and it is coupled with a 300 kV-ampere mech-alti alternator. Available in 390 kilowatts is the model E3268, made of 8 cylinders and 90 degrees V arrangement, or V8, and it is coupled with a 540 kV-ampere alternator. And available in 580 kilowatts is the model E3262, made of 12 cylinders and 90 degrees V arrangement, or V12, and it is coupled with a 816 kV-ampere alternator. The MAN biogas engines comes with a state-of-the-art, all-in-one, Motortech biogas genset controller from Germany. With a large separate display, the Motortech all-in-one controller can be connected with up to 32 modules and can integrate functions such as fully automatic synchronization or an uninterruptible back synchronization in mains parallel operation, as well as integrated solutions for multi-unit operation, load sharing, or the automatic operating hours adjustment of the individual units are standard features. The Motortech Ignition Controller, or MIC, in versions 3, 4, and 5, provides a reliable combustion on engines up to 20 cylinders, even with the weakest or fluctuating caloric values of the biogas. The MIC is equipped with Motortech Output Stage Technology, or MOST. This is accurate spark timing and diversified online diagnostics. The graphic compares the behavior of a conventional capacitor discharge ignition system and an ignition system with MOST. The Motortech VariFuel version 2, that is specially designed for use with special gas-powered biogas engines, is a high-tech variable, Venturi-type, air-gas mixer that can constantly adjust to any fuel changes. The geometry of the built-in fuel ring, adapted to the application, ensures improved engine starting behavior and control of the air-gas mixture in special gas operation. Coupled to an air-fuel ratio controller, lean burn, or stoichiometric, it precisely regulates the mixture. The Motortech Detonation Control System, or DETCON control unit, provides a complete protection for biogas engines, even with up to 20 cylinders. The microprocessor control system detects any knocking in the early stage and sends an analog signal of around 4 to 20 milliamperes, or 0 to 5 volts, to the ignition system to shift the ignition timing to retard in a linear function. A signal for load reduction, or, ultimately, a stop signal is sent to the engine controller if the knocking cannot be eliminated. A controller area network bus interface is included. However, in the anaerobic digestion inside the biodigester, hydrogen sulfide is formed due to the microbial breakdown of organic waste in the absence of oxygen. This hydrogen sulfide will form sulfur dioxide and sulfuric acid during combustion, which results in a very aggressive corrosion. The corrosion will literally reduce the lifetime of the biogas genset. This is why biogas engine manufacturers require reducing the hydrogen sulfide of the biogas fuel not exceeding 250 ppm. Or, otherwise, the operating costs for engine oil change, spark plugs, and other maintenance will increase significantly. Furthermore, there will be high costs for repairs and income lost during overhauls and breakdowns. To convert the biogas into usable renewable energy, the hydrogen sulfide, or H2S, must be removed. Abet Company offers an effective biogas cleaner or filter unit with a technology from Denmark. The biogas cleaning process is 100% biological. The operating cost is 80 to 90% lower than chemical gas purification system. The uptime is over 98%. Therefore, an effective biogas cleaner like this is not only financially but environmentally a healthy investment. Inside the tank, bacteria live in packing material with a large surface. The bacteria get their energy from oxidizing hydrogen sulfide to sulfate and elemental sulfur. That's the process needed. So, how do we keep those bacteria healthy and hungry? By adding air, water and fertilizer with just the right amount of temperature. In the top of the tank, biogas and small amount of air is injected, slowly flows down the packing material with hungry bacteria. When the biogas reaches the bottom of the tank, more than 99% of the hydrogen sulfide is removed. The spray system supplies and recirculates nutrients which slowly trickle down the packing material. The scrubber lagoon contains sludge with sulfur and is, from time to time, drained out and new liquid is added. The result is a clean biogas that can substitute fossil fuels like oil and gas. The gas scrubber's liquid is a green liquid fertilizer that can be applied to water the fields. The process is fully automatic. Once in a while, the packing material in the tank needs to be cleaned with a quick sludge removal system. This can be an automated task where the packing material is washed like in a large washing machine. Easy and quick. However, after hydrogen sulfide removal, the biogas is fully saturated with water, wherein the relative humidity is 100%. If water droplets reach the cylinder heads and combustion chambers of the biogas engine, the water will destroy the oil film. This will lead to increased wear of moving parts, as well as substantial reduction of the lifetime of the engine oil. Therefore, it is necessary to dry the gas to avoid condensation in the biogas pipe system and in the engine's gas train and intercooler. Abet Company offers an effective biogas moisture remover or chiller unit with a technology from Japan. Abet Company only accommodates clients with a desirable animal population, conducive for fresh waste, animal building structure, and a good waste conveyance, and clients or farm owners who have understanding on the benefits of biogas with a heart that really cares. Further, Abet Company now offers solar power as an alternative to the local grid energy and diesel genset on parallel electrical supply, together with the biogas genset. Furthermore, Abet Company also offers solar street lights with solar panel capacities from 20 watts to 100 watts. A total of 28 units of solar street lights have been installed in the 11 public schools in the municipality of Agu, initiated by Ms. Stephanie Ann Erigel through the local school board with the support of Congresswoman Sandra Erigel, all supplied by Abet Company. For more information, please search Alternative Bioenergy Technologies Company Incorporated on the World Wide Web.